Hi, I'm Roberta. Welcome to Armando's Kitchen. Normally I'm welcoming you to my kitchen, but I'm here today with my friend Armando Percuoco in his beautiful Valley Fields property in Wollombi in the Hunter Valley. Thank you so much for having me, Chef.
You're very welcome.
And thank you for agreeing to show us how to use Panettone, the Italian Christmas bread, for a quick and easy dessert.
Well, what I found with Panettone, of course for Italians, everything for Christmas, but I hear huge amount of people, oh, it's dry, it's not right, we don't really.
I find it a bit dry.
Yeah, you find it dry, but lots of other people find it dry.
Okay.
So what I thought one day, I said, you know what, I think we do something as a festivity as well.
Yes.
So
what can we do?
Christmas,
Yes.
you buy the panettone,
Yes.
you slice the panettone, and I will show you in a minute how
Yes.
to slice. Marinate strawberry and blueberry or whatever other
I've seen you do this with kiwi fruit.
kiwi fruit
Whatever
or
you like.
whatever you like. Mango,
Okay.
peaches,
But we're going to do berries today because
whatever
they
you
feel
want.
festive.
Whatever you want. Marinate.
Yes.
Now again, I use limoncello today because I make limoncello here for my lemons.
Yum.
Okay, but you can use maraschino. Maraschino, you have to go to some actually outlet to buy the
cherry
maraschino.
liqueur,
It's a cherry liqueur.
We could use
That's
Cointreau
good.
or
You
Grand
can
Marnier.
exactly.
Brandy.
And if you really want to be strong, you can use a grappa.
Of course you can use that. We are in Italy after
Yes,
all,
okay.
southern Italy.
So marinate that, slice the panettone on the plate, just put everything on top, whipped cream, just dot with the whipped cream like a snow, because
Okay.
it's winter in Italy,
Right.
and it's snowing, and beautiful fresh mint.
So we've got the lovely red and green
Red,
thing happening
exactly,
for Christmas.
Italian flag.
Okay, and the Italian flag, of course, Mamma Mia, of course. Now, where do we start? We're going to marinate first?
Yes,
Okay.
we're going to marinate first. So,
So-
excuse me my finger.
Please, but
Okay.
not the raspberry.
Not raspberry because we need the coulis
Okay,
for raspberry and drizzle on top.
gotcha.
You got it?
We're kind of making this up as we go along, but I know what we're doing. Okay. And we could use different berries. We could leave the blueberries out if
Yes.
we couldn't get them, whatever.
Yeah,
We
well-
could use only blueberries if that's all we had.
I think you can actually have all year round,
Sure.
isn't it? And it's such a...
I love your limoncello.
So I'm just drizzling a little
You
bit.
drizzle.
Okay, so it's not really,
Those
don't
berries.
have to be... Oh, by the way,
Yes.
and if you don't drink alcohol, many people don't drink alcohol.
Really? No one I know.
No, but that's fair enough. We have to respect everybody.
Of course, of course.
So put maybe a orange juice in.
Okay.
Simple as that.
Yeah.
So
A little bit of
marinade,
sweetness.
yeah. Again, excuse my finger,
Please.
but unfortunately,
I don't think it's unfortunate, I think it's essential. Now, if we were using grappa or something that wasn't sweet, oh, it's so good, we could add a little bit of sugar at this stage,
yes,
couldn't we?
you can.
So,
yeah.
the limoncello, we don't need it
No,
because
the
it's
limoncello
sweet,
is
but if it
sweet.
was grappa or brandy or something, a
Yeah.
little icing sugar.
Yes.
All right,
yes.
that's out of the way. Let's talk coulis.
Okay, with the coulis. So
Raspberries,
Raspberry.
they make the best coulis, don't they?
yes, no doubt about.
A little bit of sugar,
And the sugar. So that's one
1 tablespoon.
tablespoon.
Okay.
There we are.
But it could be more if you're making this for more people.
Of course.
Any liqueur in this one, or we've got enough liqueur?
I think we have enough liqueur.
Just
I don't want to get people drunk.
Okay, just checking.
Some people can have a good reaction and bad reaction.
So there we go, Chef. There's our coulis. Can I just taste it to make sure it's right?
Yes, of course.
Mm. You better taste it too to make sure it's right. Perfect?
Yeah.
Okay,
But
now,
actually that's enough sugar.
I know in the
Because
rest...
we want a bit tart.
Yes, absolutely. You want that balance.
Yeah.
In the restaurant, you put this through a sieve. We don't need to
Yeah,
do that
no,
at home.
no.
Okay, let's slice up panettone.
Okay.
Stop.
Wonderful.
Okay, I'm going to give you that. Okay,
All
so
right.
slice it,
So slice.
and we slice that.
And normally, yeah, we slice in this way. And normally maybe 1.5 to 2 centimeter.
We want
If you
6
get a
slices
6
out of
slices
this.
out of that. So
Or if you've got one of those sweet little mini panettones, you might get 3 slices.
yes,
Okay.
that's definitely good.
We can just do one to show them how
Yeah.
to plate it up, right?
Have a look. They're already.
That's a
They're
lot
already-
even for one person, but you know what? It tastes so good, you're going to want to eat it all.
Oh yes, I think so.
I'm going to get this out of your way,
Thank you.
and you can bring that front and center. Okay, now,
So
next.
we want to drizzle again a little bit. That's why I said not much there because we drizzle back again,
Okay,
but just a little bit.
just a drizzle. I know what
Yes.
chef's drizzles are like, right?
No,
Like
that's
when you
okay.
drizzle
Have a
olive
look.
oil. Oh, that's pretty tame. And this
That's
adds
it.
some of that moisture back, right?
Yes,
Okay.
and that's it. And then
Now berries.
just put it round the
Remember-
plate. You know,
You don't have to give them this much for one person.
No.
He's getting a little carried
no,
away.
that's okay. Okay, so I think that looks festivity.
It looks beautiful, very
That's-
festive. There's our snow. You know, growing up in Australia, when it can be 40 degrees on Christmas Day,
Yeah.
I still always think Christmas cards with snow and scenes with snow, they still feel right somehow.
Yes, it
They
is.
still feel like Christmas,
It is.
even though it's not our reality.
It is, but again, you look like the snow, but it's a summer dish
Exactly.
for Australia.
Perfect.
It's not from Italy,
No,
but it's from Australia.
but it's using the traditional Italian Christmas cake.
That's right.
So it's perfect for
Yeah.
an Italian, Southern Italian Christmas in Australia.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes.
And we have our green with our beautiful mint leaves, fresh from your garden.
fresh from my garden, of course. There we are.
And a little coulis.
Yes. And coulis plant. So again,
That designer drizzle thing. Just make it look casual.
yes, very, very casual.
I love it. Chef, tante
Thank you.
grazie.
And what do we say?
Buon
Buon
Natale.
Natale!
Enjoy